What you see here behind me is the brand new 2022 Toyota Tundra. It's got the brand new TRD package. A level kit just been installed. We're gonna put the brand new wheels, fuel, with the Toyo AT3s. These are not gonna cut it if you wanna go off-road. This thing's got everything on it. Toyota Tundra came with the 20x8 with the plus 60 offset, 265 60 20s, which is around 32 and a half. Now, throw those away, put on some fuel, 18x9 with the plus 20 offset, running 35 12 and a half open country AT3s. If you look at the fitment, all it needs is a level kit and already has 35s on this truck. 2-inch level kit, perfect setup right here. Not too aggressive, but aggressive enough to where that TRD is a 4x4. You need to have that 4x4 tire on it. I'm in front of a brand new 2019 Lexus NX300. It's got the 2.0 turbo. Customer said it was sitting too high for a little SUV, but want to get that nice lowered look, but better performance, less body roll. We got the 22-inch Nichis on it. We've got to make that look good and finish the performance package with some nice RSR springs. We've got the RSR springs on this NX. Right now, we also have the SPC camber kits. You know, if you need camber kits on this, you can get from SPC Performance. They got the best kits. You can adjust the camber up to 3 degrees plus or minus. So right now, we got the kit in there. We're gonna adjust that camber.